Good evening. The Daybell property in Salem, Idaho is now the center of 3 death investigations. Not only were Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow buried there, but Tammy Daybell, Chad's first wife, also died while sleeping inside the home.
Those suspicious circumstances are under investigation. News specialist Garna Mejia looks into why an autopsy wasn't performed immediately after Tammy's death. Garna?
Tammy Daybell died less than a month after the children were buried in her backyard. Her death was unexpected, but ultimately, no autopsy was performed.
I just can't help but think that I want to know what happened to Tammy.
Tammy Daybell's friends and family say she was healthy, training for a marathon. Her death was sudden and unexpected.
What a complete waste of an amazing person. I mean, she truly was so awesome.
Friends say Tammy's husband, Chad Daybell, declined to have an autopsy performed. Ultimately, the Fremont County coroner ruled her death of natural causes, according to her obituary.
I actually went over to their house the morning Tammy died, and Chad, he didn't seem to have any emotion. It was very odd.
Tammy was buried here in Springville, Utah, where she and Chad grew up. Sergeant Spencer Cannon shares that under Utah law, a case like Tammy's would have been referred to the state medical examiner's office.
As the state code says, sudden death while in apparent good health is something that is automatically a case that is seen by the medical examiner in Utah.
Cannon spent 8 years as an investigator for the medical examiner. He says family members don't get a say on whether an autopsy is performed.
We try to let them down easy, but we tell them, I mean, state law prevails here, and for the good of everybody, it has to.
But in Idaho, there isn't a state examiner. As University of Idaho College of Law professor Samuel Newton explains, death investigations are handled by county coroners.
The coroner may go and examine the scene and say, oh, we don't necessarily need one, but the statute does require the coroner to at least do the investigation, and I think the autopsy would be up to the discretion of the coroner.
County coroners serve 4-year term elected positions and are only required to attend a coroner school and complete 24 hours of additional training every 2 years, according to state statute. In rural communities like Fremont County, this is a part-time job. And resources are limited. For example, Fremont County, where Tammy died, has a budget of just over $37,000, including the coroner's salary. Neighboring Madison County listed about $20,000 for their budget. In comparison, Ada County, where Boise is located, has a budget of just over $3 million. Last December, deputies exhumed Tammy's remains for an autopsy. After determining her death was suspicious, Chad and Lori Vallow are linked to the investigation.
That's what my mind keeps focusing on. I want justice for her.
Fremont County's coroner is Brenda D. Her full-time job is as an EMT. We made several attempts to contact her and the Fremont County commissioners and did not receive a response. I'm Garna Mejia, KSL 5 News.
Garna, thank you.